Hello students, today's video is on MAT 2020 September question answers. We are doing it in the fourth part today from 59 number question. So now we have to guess this series. So this is a pattern. So if I just write ABC, first is ABC, second one there is another A. So if we assume that there is another A here, so ABC will be there, okay. Next one A B C, then already we have a B, so this is now matching B. So if we repeat the second one, in that way it happens. So B B C. So if we have put a B, so first time everyone has single, then A double, then B double, and this time also it should be A B B C C, A B B C C, and again it starts with A. So there is a possibility. So let's see what is there. A C, triple A C, and let me check. No, second time I think we have put B. Sorry, so A B A C. So option number C is correct. Next, this is B. Similarly also. So this is like A B C D. If we do A B C D, then C A D B, then A C B D, then C A B D, then A C B D. So every time option of 4, cycle of 4. So this is A D D D, again a D and B. A quadruple D B. So C is the answer to this question. Next question, 5 people are standing in a queue outside the ATM for cash withdrawal. Maybe after the monetary crunch in Indian economy due to demonetization. So 2 persons are standing in the extreme ends. Pankaj and Vijender. It may be Vijender or Pankaj. So when 2, so 5 people, so in between 3 people must be there. First part down. Anita is standing behind Rohit. Anita is standing behind Rohit. So मान लेते रोहित यहाँ है और अनीता को यहाँ ले लेते हैं, और इस पे मान लीजिए रोहित यहाँ है, अनीता को यहाँ ले लेते हैं. बबीता इज फ्रंट ऑफ विजेंदर. तो यहाँ बबीता घुस जाएगी, यहाँ तो घुस नहीं सकती है, तो ये डायग्राम ऐसे ही रॉन्ग हो गया. इस तरीके से क्रॉस चेकिंग के साथ साथ हम लोग काफ़ी जल्दी जा सकते. देखिए हमारा डायग्राम भी बन चुका है ऑलमोस्ट. अब रोहित इज स्टैंडिंग बिटवीन पंकज एंड अनीता आ गया, ये सही आ रहा है. काउंटिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, व्हाट इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ अनीता. सो थर्ड. इन जैसे सवालों में आपको पहले 2-3 स्टेप में सारे पॉसिबिलिटीज़ लिखना है, फिर क्रॉस चेक करके देखना. Okay, the next one is a clock problem. A clock is set right at 8 am. The clock gains 10 minutes in 24 hours. What will be the right time when the clock indicates 1 pm on the following day? So 8 am, 1 pm on the following day, so total 29 hours. So 24 hour, after 24 hour the clock will show gains 10 minutes in 24 hour. It means 24 hour 10 minutes of the clock equal to 24 hour 10 minute equal to 24 hour. So that is 145 by 6. 24 hour 10 minutes means 16. 145 by 6. In this of the clock equal to 24 hours. So 29 is 24, 165, 6 into 29. So if you calculate this, you will get 28 hour 48 minute in the clock. So it means that the clock is 12 minutes faster than the current clock. So at 1 pm, so therefore when the clock indicates 1 pm, the correct time will be 48 minutes past. So correct time is 12:48, option number B. After starting from a point, a man walks 4 kilometers towards west, then turning to his right and moves 4 kilometer. After this he again turns right and moves 4 kilometer. Which choice given below indicates the correct position? So this is like first starts with this 4 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 4 kilometer. So this is the thing. So this is the ending point E, starting point S. So he's standing at this. So this to this. So with respect to the basic position, he is at north. Answer A is correct. Next, 5 villages PQRST situated close to each other. P is the west of Q. P is to the west of Q. So Q यहाँ ड्रॉ करते हैं, P को डाल देते हैं वेस्ट में. R is to the south of P. R is to the south of P. तो इसका साउथ में क्या होगा? ये. T is to the north of Q. ये हो गया T. तो इधर से ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो P R Q T. And S is to the east of T. So this is S. So then which direction is R with respect to S? So this is the structure. This is north, this is east. Answer is northeast. But with respect to S they have given. Remember that, with respect to S. So now we need to think in the opposite way. So in this way. So in that way the answer is south and west.